How to delete wallpapers on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete wallpapers on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now for some reason, if you swipe down your lock screen over here, you long press on your panel, every wallpaper that you have saved are going to get added over here. As you can see, these wallpapers are just here, they are not deleted. So what I can do to delete those is that I can just go ahead and then long press on it again, and then I can just tap on this particular option known as customize, and once done here you should be able to see the lock screen, and then you can choose to delete those wallpapers, or you can just tap on the plus icon from here, and here you'll see all the featured wallpapers that you've added. You can see the suggested wallpapers, and now if you'd like to delete a certain wallpaper, you can just try to switch to other wallpapers if you'd like by just tapping the plus icon and selecting other wallpapers here as well. This way you'll be able to actually delete the wallpapers. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.